Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Walking Tour from Village channel. I'm Mehdi and today we're visiting JOMHOORI Street, an important street with active marketing in Tehran. You can visit Tehran's history in the old Naderi cafe or visiting the shopping malls that sells kind of the last update of Middle East technologies. This street used to be a long street with 4 different names before the Islamic Revolution, and they were Shah, Naperi, Istanbul, and Shahabad Street. But after Islamic Revolution, all of them changed to the JOMHOORI Islami Street, with the meaning of Islamic Republic. There are many different kind of stores in this street. The north side, which is the center of electric devices with different brands such as Sony, Samsung, Philips, and LG, that each sells different models of TV, dishwasher, washing machine, and microwave, and other products. However, with the issued boycotts of the West, it's a few years that the imports has stopped, and Iran has put more attention on making internal products, but they will not succeed because of low quality material and embezzlements. As we're walking in south side of the JOMHOORI Street, you can see there are many stores that are selling suits. There are many different brand suits that you can buy and prices depends on the quality, but the median price for a suit is about $170. Also, I have to say that Iran is one of the top suits exporters of the world, with different brands such as Hakopian that won many international prizes. And there are more top-based brands such as Gerard, Maxim, and Rod that all of them are active as the tops of the world. There are some famous and popular shopping malls in this street such as Alauddin Mall, which is the center of mobile marketing and repairing in Tehran, with 1,100 stores and 11 floors. And it is Charsum Mall, which is center of mobile accessories with modern design, and next one is Champs-Élysées and Company Mall, that these two are the center of women's formal and party clothes. And next it is Bahorestan Mall, which is the center of shoes and bag market from any kind, sport to formal ones. And it is Plasco Mall that was one of the tallest buildings of Tehran that you can see the new building in the right side of your screen, because the previous building was collapsed 6 years ago and got 16 lives of people because of fire accident and incompetence of concerned officials. Finally, I have to say that JOMHOORI Street is one of the most famous and important streets of Tehran, and it attracts many people from all over Tehran, even all over the country for marketing. If you like this kind of videos, I will be thankful if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any suggestions and questions, and don't forget to like the video.